Alright, third stack. Got one more left. Home Run Kings of Richie Sexson. Rookie, Ryan Jorgensen. Lucky 13, Mark Pryor. Diamond Producers, Chipper Jones. And Robinson Cano. Gold. Is that a rookie? No. Strikeout Kings, Roger Clemens. Oh, do we have a jersey? Oh, I thought we had a jersey. My bad. Pedro Martinez, Midsummer Classic Kings. And A-Rod. Gold to bronze card, whatever they call them. RBI Kings of Andrew Jones. Lucky 13. Khalil Green. Rising Stars, Ryan Howard. That's a good one. And Aaron Harang. Oh, got our jersey. Yep. Matt Clement, Field of Game jersey card. Boston Red Sox. Okay. And some inserts on it. Ryan Howard, gold bronze thing. That takes care of our hits. If you can even call them hits, I guess. RBI Kings of Matsui. Diamond Producers of Vlad. And Juan Pierre. Strikeout Kings of John Smoltz. Midsummer Classic Kings of Mike Piazza. J.D. Drew. Alright, moving on to the last stack here. Let's make this one quick. Home Run Kings, Alfonso Soriano. Lucky 13, John Garland. Diamond Producers of David Ortiz. Jeremy Bonderman. RBI Kings of A-Rod. Diamond Producers of Adam Dunn. And a gold rookie of Steve Stemley, pitcher for the Royals. Alright, 4 more packs left and then it'll all be over. Strikeout Kings of Randy Johnson. Midsummer Classic Kings of Derek Jeter. Rookie of Alejandro Friere, who I already got. And then a Livan Hernandez goldish card, I guess. RBI Kings of Mike Piazza. Diamond Producers of Miguel Tejada. And Manny. 2 more. Andrew Jones, RBI, Home Run Kings. Lucky 13. Trot Nixon. Rising Stars, Scott Kazmir. A rookie, another Steve Stemley rookie. And Ramos Ramirez. Last pack. Alright. RBI Kings, Miguel Cabrera. Diamond Producers, Jeff Kent. A-Rod card, Ryan Howard. Oh wow, look at that. 2 Alex Rios cards in the same pack. Thanks a lot, Fleer. Alright, that's that break. I'm not even going to show you the hits. Nothing too spectacular. Check out blowoutcards.com. That's where I got this box. Keep an eye out for my other videos. I still got a another basketball box over there. If you see my other 2 breaks, I had the Bowman Draft Picks and Stars basketball. I still got another one. I'm debating whether I want to break it or not. So keep an eye out for that. Thanks for watching.